A wealthiest country, robbing one of the poorest in the world. According to Syria's state media, U.S. forces have stolen a substantial amount of wheat bran and oil from Syria's northeast province of Hasaka, and illegally transported them to U.S. military bases in Iraq. Syria's northeast is a traditional breadbasket and a major oil-producing region for the country. Official data in Syria show that in the first half of 2022, more than 80% of Syria's daily oil production was illegally smuggled by the U.S. military. After the Syrian civil war broke out in 2011, the U.S. launched direct military interventions in Syria, deployed troops to Syria's oil-rich areas, and imposed harsh sanctions on the country. UN data show that the U.S. interventions have claimed at least 350,000 lives in Syria. Nowadays, 90% of the population lives in poverty. The Syrian refugee issue is deemed by the UN as the biggest refugee crisis of our time. By pilfering oil and other resources in Syria, the U.S. reaps colossal profits, leaving the war-torn country in an even worse humanitarian calamity.